Space and exchange. This notion deals with geographical and symbolic places and with interaction between men and different societies. Our world is built on the exploration of a new space. The different cultural, language, economic and sociological interaction have shaped and characterized our modern day world. So, I would like to illustrate this notion with the change of our behavior and with the change of the way we communicate caused by the internet. Internet is a tool that is present all around us. Internet knows all about us. It's act in our life every day, sometimes to advantage, sometimes to disadvantage. It's a leader in our living space and in our daily exchange. So we may wonder how internet has changed our behavior and the way we communicate. First, we study the change of our behavior caused by the internet. Then we will study the change of the way we communicate, and finally the end of our private life. So, in fact, the first consequence of internet in our life is a social consequence. These consequences take place from the beginning of the day. For example, in the past, the breakfast was held with the entire family, but today, the entire family listening to the national radio, and everyone was watching or watch for not to be late or to avoid the worst truck at 7:50 a.m. But today, the situation the first morning reflex, before to switch to bathroom, before to brush teeth, before to evacuate a bladder, is to consult the internet. That is to say, to consult or email or tweets. The morning coffee is consumed at the same time. I have studied a document in which you can see that the fact that the person connect at the internet. This document shows the timetable most important. The timetable in which the population has connected at internet consequently. We can read that the moment concerned are the morning and the evening. We can deduce that the population is connected at internet during their free time. Some consequences are generated. For example, the dog walking is shorter. Now we will study the change in the way we communicate. For example, first, internet united the main and causing numerous change between people. Today, we can communicate with a person who is all over the world, who is on the other side of the world, simply sitting in front of the computer. The computer. Moreover, today we prefer to send a message by a letter than by email than a letter. Thus, the daily collection of letters is less interesting because the friendly message are sent on the social networks, but no by no in a postal box. In a postal box, we receive only bills. But the internet has also good positive object. For example, internet. Thanks to internet, the rules encounter are progressing thanks to the dating sites, but also thanks to internet. Internet facilitates the soul of object of service. Internet facilitates job search and foster care process. We can deduce that internet have sometimes advantage, but has both advantage and disadvantage. Finally, we will prove that the internet is killing our privacy, killing our private life. It's the origin of the end of our privacy. Internet know all about us. All data are communicated at the net by several actors, for example, as the banks, as business leaders, as the police, as the operator, as the teacher, etc., etc. The internet and more generally the informatic system know about us, who birth date, who love relationship, who sexual orientation, who job, who salary, who the value of our bank account, the goods in our possession, the good of possession, the telephonic relation, or school result, and a mistake before the law. But this information are secreted and confidential, but the situation is worried. To conclude, the internet has significantly changed our behavior, that is to say, our private life, our social life, our daily life. Internet changed our behavior in our relation, in our exchange, in our habits. Now people are more open-minded, but this open-mindedness has a price. Now internet know all about us, and we can deduce that we can not longer lie.